Let's talk about one of the most powerful features in GripIt: reviews and reflection. You can set goals, build habits, and complete tasks, but without regular reflection, you're just busy, not strategic. Reviews help you step back, see patterns, and make intentional adjustments. GripIt offers 3 types of reviews: weekly, quarterly, and annual. Let me show you how they work, starting with a weekly review. Click on Reviews in the main navigation. Here, you'll see your review dashboard. You can see upcoming reviews and your review history. Let's start a new weekly review. Click Start Weekly Review. The review process has 5 steps. Let's go through them. Step 1. Energy level. How is your energy this week? Rate it from 1 to 10. I'll select, let's say, 5. Average energy. This helps you track your physical and mental state over time. Click Next. Step 2. Stress level. How stressed were you this week? Again, 1 to 10. I'll rate it at 5 as well. Neutral stress level. Tracking stress patterns helps you identify what drains you. Click Next. Step 3. Achievements and wins. What did you accomplish this week? Celebrate your wins, big and small. I'll type in the first field. Completed 3 client projects ahead of schedule. Launched the new website feature. Had a productive team meeting about Q1 goals. The second field asks, what obstacles or challenges did you face? I'll write, struggled with focus on Wednesday due to too many meetings. Had technical issues with deployment that cost 2 hours. This balanced reflection, wins and challenges, keeps you realistic. Click Next. Step 4. Plan for next week. Set your focus and intentions. Main focus area. What's your number 1 priority for next week? I'll type, complete the client presentation and start planning the Q2 strategy. Additional notes. Any other thoughts, ideas, or reminders? I'll add, remember to block deep work time on Tuesday and Thursday mornings. Schedule the team retrospective. This forward-looking step ensures your review leads to action. Click Next. Step 5. Review complete. You'll see your week summary, energy level, stress level, and your main focus area displayed clearly. There's also a section called Recommended Next Steps. GripIt suggests actions based on your review. For example, review your goals. Check progress on your quarterly and annual goals. Click Close and your weekly review is saved. Now, let me quickly mention the other review types. Quarterly reviews are more comprehensive. They look at your progress over 3 months, patterns in your weekly reviews, and help you set goals for the next quarter. Annual reviews are even deeper. A complete year in review, major achievements, lessons learned, and strategic planning for the next year. You can schedule all of these in advance, and GripIt will remind you when it's time to reflect. One more thing. On mobile, you have an additional option: voice recording. Instead of typing your reflections, you can speak them. This is perfect for quick reviews on the go, or if you prefer talking through your thoughts. Important note. After completing a review, refresh your browser to see your entry in the review history. And that's reviews and reflection. Weekly reviews keep you on track. Quarterly reviews help you adjust strategy, and annual reviews give you the big picture. Regular reflection turns experience into wisdom.